Hi guys, today I'm gonna show y'all how to share location on Huawei Mate 20 Pro. Firstly, go into Google Maps. Now tap on the left on the burger menu in the in the top right corner. I don't know why I can't see it. Oh no, you can just tap on your profile picture. Alright. Now tap on location sharing. Get started. Allow. And now you can just select for how long would you like to share your location, and then you can just send it to someone or through email or through quick share. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.